evaluate it and said, let me get a coat, a jacket, or something.
I don't have a jacket with a hoodie. I don't have a coat with a hoodie. You donated it to my great grandmother.
Because you didn't want it anymore.
I could fit it in there.
Then you don't have a mask. Not dressed for the weather.
Huh?
Not dressed for the weather.
I
am. He said, where the fuck is this place? Oh, you don't want to lean on me no more?
No.
Okay, with the Adidas tracksuit. Ooh, this wig done had it, baby. You gonna get crunk when they come on? Huh? You gonna get crunk? You gotta go into the bathroom. Put it up. I'm talking about the song and she's talking about her hair.
Right now on the spot.
I want to go to Delaware State because I feel like it's a good influence on Black people and that.
Madison, if you stay on the honor roll from now to the time you're a senior in high school and you come to Delaware State University, I promise you I will give you a presidential scholarship.
From the state of Independence, Delaware County, Pennsylvania. I am Braylon Tia.
A 22-year-old graduating senior with a major in accounting, minor in economics, hailing from Lauderdale, Pennsylvania. I am Jonte R. Simmons, the 18th Mr. Delaware State University.
Because we already know, like, in the media, a lot of controversies are, like, around this, you know.
And how's the environment? How's the campus? How are the people? All that, right? I'm going to touch my answer, and then you can touch it.
ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating?
Due to the weather and Daryl's leg, we opted to not do the walking tour. We instead went to a local spot to have some breakfast. I had to have my scrapple. Of course, he had to have his country gravy. We really enjoyed the breakfast. Later on that evening, Amaya and I watched Avatar, Way of the Water, and just had a little girls' night, little girls' movie night. I thank you all so much for watching. I am definitely trying to get on a regular upload schedule. I'm going to shoot for Wednesdays and Sundays. And I thank you all so much for watching.